it's vlog day 3. I am getting ready to actually work today for a few hours. I know it's a little disappointing, but it is opening day for registration for online classes, and they really do need all hands on deck. So I'm going to work today. I've already had fueling number 1. I had a creamy double peanut butter crisp bar for my first fueling. I've had coffee this morning. I've had one 40-ounce bottle of water. I need to be better. Water was a little rough for me yesterday. I ended up drinking a lot later in the afternoon, which meant I was up a few more times to pee in the middle of the night. And I am getting ready to have fueling number 2, which is a nice warm thermos of my apple cinnamon oatmeal. So I'm going to have that, and I'm going to work. And at some point today, we will get to the beach, and we're going to go Gulf side today. And it's so beautiful over there. So nice, beautiful white, clean white sand. We're going to go look for some crabs and kind of hang out on the beach for a while. So I will be back in a little bit, but for now, I'm going to go and get some work done. So here is vlog day 3. If you got to work, I guess sitting outside in the sunshine like this with some seagrass behind me and a nice cool breeze isn't a half bad place to work. So that's what I'm doing for now. I got another couple hours to work today. And then David will come back from his little jaunt to the beach, and we're going to head over to the Gulf. I can't wait. Starting the day, got to leave work early. I'm actually not starting the day. It's the middle of the day. About ready to have fueling number 3, which I'm going to have, believe it or not, the pesto penne, which I put into a thermos. And I know it's not like everybody's favorite, and it's not my favorite either, but it's actually not half bad. I'm kind of sad that they discontinued it because I think I probably would have gotten some enjoyment from it. But I am sitting under an umbrella, enjoying the bay side, and after I eat lunch, I think we are going to pack up here because the dunes behind me, let's see, you can see there's like a little pathway that goes up there. We are like literally, our RV is literally on the other side of that. Well, it's a little bit of a walk, but it's just the sand dunes are the only thing that separate our RV from the ocean. So we are gonna just sit here for a little bit, enjoy the sun over here, and then we're gonna go to the Gulf side, which is much clean. Not the beaches aren't dirty, they just have a lot of pine needles on them, and the Gulf side is very clean and pristine. So we're gonna go hang out over there for a little bit too. So I'll check in with you guys later. As you can see, I've got some limited space here. It's hard for me to get in between. I've got just enough room. If I had done this 100 pounds ago, I would never have been able to do this. So I'm in the process of making dinner. I have summer squash with a little bit of, I had some leftover red pepper and orange pepper that I cut up and threw in there as well. So that is in there cooking right now. This is a convection oven that's also a microwave oven, so I can actually cook, which is nice. That's going to go in. I'm about to put in some asparagus that I put a little bit of sliced garlic on, and that's going to go in there and cook as well. And then I'm going to cook the swordfish. We have these beautiful swordfish steaks that I'm going to cook in the cast iron skillet with some salt and pepper. And then I'm going to add some lemon juice, some za'atar. If you have not tried za'atar, it is amazing. It's got a little bit of a citrusy taste to it, along with some other seasonings in there. It's really good. Some garlic and some lemon juice. That will go in after I cook the fish, and I will be sure to share the video with you. So today's been a great day. We spent some time at the beach. We got some downtime. I don't have to work at all for the rest of the week. We scheduled a dolphin tour for Friday morning. I'm so excited about that. We're going to watch the Blue Angels tomorrow. I'm excited about that. But I'm going to finish cooking dinner. I'll make sure to take some pictures and post that. And I did take a picture of my fueling number 4, which was a little biscuit basically made out of potatoes and the regular pancake, the plain golden pancake. Makes a great little biscuit. Very tasty. Not as good as the cheddar herb biscuit, but it does the trick. So I will see you back here after dinner. Technically, I didn't finish yesterday because this is just such a fiasco that it's almost funny. So I'm in the middle of cooking dinner, so I had that nice little video showing you what I was doing. I had the squash and the peppers in the convection oven. I started heating my cast iron skillet on the stove for the swordfish. I stacked the asparagus on top of the squash and got that going, and about 4 minutes into the addition of the asparagus, the convection oven stopped. I did not blow a fuse. It just stopped working. It died. It's dead. And oh, you just have to laugh. But fortunately, I have 2 burners and I have an air fryer, and the squash was pretty much cooked. I could just steam the asparagus on the other burner. I was able to cook the swordfish. So we did have a very lovely dinner, as you see from the picture that I took. It was absolutely delicious. Everything was perfectly done. But now we have no oven, no microwave. And we discovered this morning that the toilet that we have is actually a house-type toilet and not an RV toilet, which means we're using too much water and we're having to empty the tank every single day. So many things that we're learning, and we're having to replace, and that stupid oven is like $600 to replace. The toilet is going to be another couple $100. It's just one thing after another, but you know, you just have to laugh. It's no big deal. So that is kind of the end of the vlog for today, even though this is actually the next day. But I wanted to let you know what was going on. So see you tomorrow.